Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to answer this question. Is Python good for web development? So guys, now let's begin. So guys, before going any further, I want to tell you, if you want to become a front-end developer, then you have to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You don't have to learn Python, but if you want to become a back-end web developer, then you have to learn Python or any other languages like PHP, Java. So guys, there are many back-end languages like PHP, Python, Java and many more. You can learn any of these, but Python is best choice for back-end. So guys, if you want to do web development with Python, then you have to learn Django or Flask. So guys, do you know Spotify are written in Python? So guys, if you want to do web development, then Python is best choice. So guys, now let's talk about what programming language do you need to learn for full stack web developer. So guys, if you want to become a full stack web developer, then first you have to learn front-end languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And guys, then after learning front-end languages, then you have to learn back-end languages like PHP and Python. So guys, there are many back-end languages, but PHP and Python are best. So guys, now that's it for now. So guys, now if you want to get more video about programming language, then please subscribe to this channel. So guys, now thanks for watching. For now, see you next time. Bye bye.